Today I'm going to show you how to make photo manipulation goldfish bowl in Adobe Photoshop. First go to File, Place Embedded, and place your fish photo. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter when you're finished. Right-click on the fish layer and rasterize layer. Now, open your background eraser tool from the toolbar. Select Sampling once at the top. Open the limits list and select Discontiguous. Decrease the tolerance to 55%. Now, paint over the black background to erase it. Be careful, don't paint on the eyes. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider and drag it to the left. Click OK once you're satisfied. Select the background. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Then drag the copy and drop it above fish layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Change the blending mode of this layer from normal to soft light. I'll decrease the opacity to 50%. Now, go back to File, Place Embedded, and place your water bubbles photo. Change the blending mode from normal to screen. Right-click inside the free transform box and choose the flip vertical. Adjust the size, angle, and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Decrease the opacity to 60%. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new color lookup. From the drop-down, select the crisp warm. I'll decrease the opacity to 30%. And that's it. Thanks for watching.